Whee! Shoot. Catherine is recording for her channel too, so I have to look extra strong. Okay. So we put it in here.
Ish.
So it does.
Technology that you ain't got.
This is old school technology. Because we do not have a stand to cut wood.
Technology that you ain't got.
Don't tell me this don't work. He went to go grab the tool.
Okay.
Nah, I think this is the same size. This is 1 meter. Nah, measure. Oh. No, but Up. Yeah, Tadi. He's learning. Oh, he's bringing the tool?
Aloe vera?
Yeah.
Where aloe vera?
We have an aloe vera garden. This one right here. If you can see it from here, let me see on the camera. Can they see it? Let me show them.
This is your... Oh. Ah, I'm not wearing slippers now. How can I come there? Ayu.
He said, no, aloe vera can go years without being watered. And I said, really? Because I had an aloe vera, and last I checked in the desert, you gotta water that thing. It is a cactus.
Yeah. It changes even the color if it doesn't have like water. That's what Mark. You see, it's not even greeny. Mark. Because it doesn't have water. You see?
I had them planted, and we left it sitting out there outside of the soil for like 2 weeks. And I said, are you going to put it in the ground or do I have to? And then he finally put it in the ground and never watered it.
Yeah. That's why it changes the... It changes. So what are you doing to save the aloe vera life?
I'm going to water it. It did rain yesterday, so that's why I think it looks like it's perking up again.
Yeah.
But there's not much we can do to that aloe vera. Aloe vera will bounce back, but that stuff is crispy. The way I like my chips. Captain, here you go. You got to get that wood cutting action. I'm going to show you.
Fondi. Fondi Mark.
Oh, he hit himself in the head.
Oh. That's when you know the work
is too hard.
Is too hard.
Yeah.
Oh, somebody loves the work.
Too much.
Yeah. It is going to fall.
It's not. We're cutting it. So we measure out 3 feet sections. So the gate is 3 feet tall. And it's all estimate, but we can usually hit it by.
Can you turn?
Oh, you got me recording.
Ah! Look at this, Jama. Carrying all those stuffs. Yes.
You don't have shoes, put yours here. You gotta put yours down. Here, I got you.
Okay, bye.
Bye, Captain.
I want to see you how you do it.
Yeah, come on.
Nice. Ah, there are these ones. These ones are still here, Mark. You see?
Mimi kazi hamna
See, you tell. I can't. Wait, let me take out my phone too. Hold on. Y'all need to get something straight. Kevin, you ready?
Yeah.
Need some help with that? Why stand and be idle? Okay, Kathy.
Okay.
You want to come see how we dig the hole? But the holes are already
Look at
done.
Mark.
But
First you dig the holes.
au kupika kwanza na meeting na edit na movie. Saa ngapi? Mbili. Iko hapo.
Sasa saa 12. Haya.
Saa 12.
Saa moja, saa mbili.
Saa mbili tayari.
First you
Saa
dig
tatu,
the
tayari. So this one's done, Catherine. You done missed the whole process.
Okay.
The other-
Labda mpya.
Let me record you on your phone.
Yeah, I don't think he's good. It'd be nice to do it live, you know?
We can do tomorrow.
Yeah. Hiya. Hiya, Catherine. I don't need to be editing too much film. How do you feel about the Merge Center?
I feel so excited. I can't wait to see it open. Yeah.
Wow.
By the way, the progress is like just going well.
Okay.
Everything is well.
Okay.
Yeah, so there is no way, you know.
Okay. Tune in next time for some more progress.
Yeah. Today the fundi was like,
Oh no.
I wanted to say some.
Do you want me anything? And then they wonder why their children grow up lazy. In fact, that's a video on its own. No, that's another day. Another day.
Oh my God.
Because it
Ooh.
really does bother me. I didn't grow up sitting around. And I'm glad my parents, first I thought maybe that was too harsh. Why do I have to work while the kids are playing outside? But I didn't question it too much.
Ooh.
I'm lazy.
Yeah, even me, I was wondering, you know how to do all these things. You made the table.
Wait,
Yeah.
people don't know me. These people don't know me.
You made the table.
These people don't know what I am. I wonder what this is though.
Which one?
That's the water tank or something. Something is not. Oh, okay. Can you record on two now?
Okay.
I'm gonna have content for days. Because I do not need.
This phone will be.
But yeah, Captain. That's why, again, look at him working. Look at him. Look at this man. Putting the sticks in the hole. I tell you, that will to work, I said it, but I'm going to say it again. That will to work is something special. You don't see it in many youth. Most people want to sit around, and most parents, most adults want to discourage children from doing anything. Well, don't let them work. That's too hard. It's hot outside. Have a limit, but you have to let them do something, you know? What do you think, Captain?
I think that's a great thing, you know.
Yeah.
Since in school we are studying only theory. We don't study practical things.
Yeah.
So this is like practical, you know.
Very.
When it's like when it's like you're done with the school and you don't get to find a job, you can do this kind of jobs.
Yeah.
No.
And Catherine,
Because nowadays, Mark, school is not a guarantee. Like a certificate, degree certificate is not a guarantee that you're gonna go get a job.
sure isn't.
So this is like a guarantee because this is a daily life things.
Daily life, you said it. It's practical. And the
Practical.
problem, again, people discourage the youth from doing anything.
Yeah.
And then they wonder why kids are so damn lazy nowadays. They say, oh, kids can't do anything productive because you haven't encouraged them and given them the correct skills to do anything productive.
Yeah.
So hard workers, there's nothing wrong with hard work.
Why they're
Don't
staring
force
at
them to
you?
do hard work, but give them a will to work. Small, nothing crazy. You don't want to kill them.
Yeah.
Oh, we got an audience over there.
We got an audience.
The old folks watching. What's that? Yeah, but I tell you, you better give him. Chini sana babu. Now he's tired.
Now he's tired.
Right as we're talking about.
Now we
As we're
should.
talking.
Now we should change the topic.
Catherine, you gotta encourage your little brother. Tell him. tell a young man here that he's doing a good thing, because most kids don't like to do anything. So he can hear it from me all day. He's got to hear it from someone else too.
Mark, if you tell him, it's like me. I've told him.
I know, but
yes.
Sometimes you need to hear it twice. Because he still feels some type of way about this morning.
No, I don't think
Yes, he does, Captain. I'm telling you, he does.
Mark wearing his office outfit, office shoes.
Because that's where
doing
I was.
this work.
Because I got back and the gardener didn't do his job. He's going to get back and see this. And I'm going to just look at him. I'm going to say like this. You know your job is on the line, right?
His job is on the line.
He agreed. This is what he was going to do today. Or something like this. To take out this tree too. Which he never did. I might come out here tomorrow and take it out. Which I don't think I want to do that on my birthday.
Yeah, I think tomorrow you should relax, Mark.
This is relaxing, Catherine. You see this fence? It's not straight. This one and this one got to go back some.
This one and this one.
This one has to move back, and this one right there has to move back. Other than that, we did a very good job of keeping this straight.
But it's like hard. Oh, that one is very... Yes, this one and this one should be back.
But you know what, guys? We're going to call that an episode of Mark Meets Africa meeting Mark Meets Cat. Oh, look. They're pointing. They're
meeting Mark Meets Cat.
Well, meeting Cat meets... I don't know. I'm tired. You guys, thanks for watching.
Mark
Catherine,
Meets... No, guys. Thank you so much for watching the videos. Please.
Like, comment.
Like, comment,
yeah. I say, yeah, I've been in this kitchen all day. See, I've been working all day. I ain't washing no dishes. This young man is. I just washing my hands.
Wow.
Catherine's going.
It is nice. Me, I'm smelling it. Oh, so nice. So nice.
Useni. Wewe ni chef kuka? Wewe. Leo wewe.
Chief.
Chef kuka. Chef kuka. But we don't have any oregano, Catherine. Should we bad? Bad.
I hope not too much salt.
Oh no, it's not so much a life lesson or anything. It's just, I'm trying to say, I'm going to start doing things. I'm going to stop waiting for the people. Even though I've hired them to do the job, waiting for them is more stressful than them doing the job incorrectly. So I'll get out there and do it myself. And I won't give them a thing. And I'll say, you had the opportunity. Sometimes we have to stand on our decision to be a little harsh. If you're waiting and waiting and waiting, that person is taking your time. And time is money. So they're really they robbing you. Got their hand in your pocket. No, thank you. Even if you're not paying them. You're waiting on them, do it yourself. Or get someone who's going to do it soon. What is this? What is this? What is this?
What is... Now Hussein is taking my job.
Yeah, Catherine anapika tambi sana.
Yeah.
He was ready for that. He said, you better cook it.
I will.
But let's take a day to...
Like how you guys make tea.
Chris.
I will show you.
Chris.
No. You make tea with a lot of
He did that. And
cloves.
I told him this stuff is good for you.
Too much cloves.
If you feel the burn, it's not working.
It is so bitter.
It's like exercising. If you don't feel it in your arms and your legs and your stomach, it must not be working.
That thing feels even in my nerves. Good. I feel it.
Good.
Too much.
It's cleansing you.
And they say too much is harmful.
Yeah,
it's not good.
I tell you, cloves could kill you. Cloves are harmful.
Okay, so we are going to use salt, sugar.
Yeah. I'm gonna go for bread.
What?
It will be bad.
Mark, I like the one. What did I tell you?
Yeah.
I said I like the tambi you always make.
Me?
I don't know. I tasted that day. Yes.
Leo nataka kwa Tanzania.
No, Mark, don't do that.
Tambi ya Tanzania.
Mark.
Kwa mix nzuri. Sio moja.
Ma, the one. Ile alipika Mark.
Mimi? John. Okay.
Ni juzi.
Mimi kupika.
Tambi ulipika tambi. Mark, you cooked that tambi.
I never made tambi here. Asubuhi.
So he's
Wewe unapika.
so
This boy cooked it. I didn't make nothing.
you guys are confusing me. Who made tambi? Hussein say Mark say Hussein.
Hapana. Mimi nakumbuka.
So who made that tambi I ate?
Nasema huyu nani kupika tambi ya kula? Hapana.
This is so strange. I ate the tambi. I don't know who made it.
Sio hii.
I loved that tambi. Yes, ni easy.
Tambi hii. Nakumbuka.
Mark doesn't wanna.
Mimi nakumbuka. Wewe.
No. This one was the one. You remember we were eating like mikate and tambi, and the tambi was here. No. You remember? Let me tell you.
This boy got it. I've never made spaghetti with no oil to be burning it. Every time he cooks it, he has to scrape the bottom of the pot.
So he doesn't put oil.
He does, but he burns it. And he's putting that on me.
Yeah, that was bit bad. So Hussein. So Hussein made them. Me I like to cook. Me I like to cook tambi. I don't know how I can cook. There is Mark. You guys are not serious. How can I cook? You guys are not serious. How can I cook while it's like
mimi njaa sana. Mimi pumzika kidogo. Kwa sababu nazima fan kwa sababu gas.
Mimi malizia hapa.
Mimi na Hussein anapika.
What? Mpishi simuoni. Mpishi hayupo.
Which one of y'all put the pineapple on the floor?
What?
Put that pineapple on the floor.
Who?
We don't need no monkeys crawling in here eating the pineapple.
Who did put pineapple on the
Today
floor?
we're gonna have to get that stick out. See, I got it.
Yeah.
Everybody getting the stick. Everybody getting the stick. I never understood that form of
Violence
violence is never the answer.
Violence.
Unless somebody punch you in the face. Don't do it.
You know what I like to cook, Mark? Pilau. Maybe I can cook pilau, but the tambi,
You can't make time.
I said I want to see you how you make tambi.